Hello guys and welcome to my channel again. As we are discussing HTML, in the previous video we had discussed about the lists in HTML which are ordered list and unordered list. In this video we will see how to insert image in our web page. So if you want to find any blogs regarding the videos, you can check my website. The link will be in the description. Let's jump to our editor. So if you want to insert any image in the web page, for that you will use image tag and the source attribute. The source attribute is a must attribute. In the source attribute we write the path of the image so that our web page will find the image and place it on the web page. So it's better to place the image in the same folder where the web page is, just like this. I have already done that, so you can see that my web page and picture is on the same folder. So it is better to do this because there is less chance of the misplacing of image or any deletion, or it is also easy to give path like this. So I will give the path. Munif is the name of the file of the picture, and JPG is the type of the picture. So if we save that, so you can see that we have placed the image successfully in our web page. So if we want to edit the picture or perform some formatting, if you want to shorten the width or height, so for that you can use the height attribute and width attribute. So it will decrease or increase the size of the picture. There is another attribute which we can use is alt attribute. In alt attribute we write anything which we want to be shown on the web page in case when the picture is not loaded. So if by mistake or any server problems or the pictures get deleted, so it's better to put an alt tag so that if the image is if there is a problem in loading the image, the alt tag will show what the image say. So you can write image over here so that the user will know that there will be an image. So this is all for the image tag. This is how we can insert image in our browser. So if you like the video, kindly subscribe the channel, and if you have any suggestions regarding the video, kindly comment below. Thank you.